Give me the music, make me jump on, give me the music, make me rocky, not the dance. Pass the dutchie, pass the
Earn your
dutchie.
fortune. Maybe earn your fortune. Maybe today is the beginning of the end. Help a blind man.
Okay, sure.
Run from the seeker, sir. Run and keep running, or help others to run.
Alright, well, I'll have to take your word for it.
Bro, what do you mean, bro? Pass the dutchie.
Please, I need to be alone with my thoughts now.
What do you mean, run from the secret,
Okay,
bro?
boy.
Pass the dutchie from the left hand side. Pass the dutchie from the left hand side. On the left hand side. Give me the music, make me jump on. Give me the music, make me running out the dance. Pass the dutchie from the what? Give me the music, make me rockin' at the dance. Give me the music, make me jump on, rockin' on the This all go wrong. But that song stuck in my head, bro. I never really listened to that song, bro, until now, and that shit is stuck in my head, bro. That song is amazing. Give me the music, make me jump on, it all go wrong. Give me the music, make me rock it, not they dance. Damn, I gotta be all the way up there. Look at them fuckers. Bro, Dutch, shut up, bro. I hate you in the first place. You fucking suck. Bro, I hate Dutch, bro. Dutch is a straight dickhead. Give me the music, make me rock it, not they dance. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It's all go wrong. Give me a music, make me jump and it's all go down. Give me the music, make me rock it, not the dance. Hold on. I'm straight. It's all go wrong. What's up, fuckers?
So good of you to join us. What's going on?
Rebellion, the smell of cordite and integrity. It is a beautiful thing.
What are y'all doing?
An eye for an eye. We didn't start this, Arthur. They did.
We? This ain't our fight.
It surely is.
Whatever it is you're planning, it ain't a good idea. They want you to fight.
Nobody will be killed.
We're just gonna trap a few of them in the valley, disarm them, tar and feather them, and remind them to leave these boys alone.
You have energy for Frank?
Come on, Arthur. Just tweaking Uncle Sam's nose a little. I need you to help me.
Bro, this nigga Dutch. Bro, he need to. But let me just shoot him right damn now.
It's perfect. People will see these boys. They won't notice us, and they'll think we're gone. Everyone will blame everything on the Indian problem, and we'll disappear up the river. But first, we need to trap them in this pass. Help me dynamite up these trees.
So, you're using them?
No, sir. No. Never. But it is mutually beneficial to draw attention to one problem and avail over another.
These are good people, but their situation is real complex. We ain't helping them.
Sure we are. Come on, let's get this done.
Bro, can y'all stop talking like, well, Arthur, you good, but Dutch, bro, bro, this man really using them, bro. I just want to kick the shit out of the back of his head and steal his suit. It's all go on. Give me the music, make me rockin' out the dance. Pass the dutchie, turn the left on side. Pick up. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side.
So patrol should be coming in a few minutes.
To be
Okay.
good.
Hurry, Arthur. I'll plant the dynamite, you run the wire.
Eat people
Keep lookout from up here.
Eight pictures in me and you keep shut up. Don't nobody care about none of that. Give me the music, make me jump on hands. It's all go down. Give me the music, make me rockin' at the dance. Bro, Arthur, if you think this is so wrong, why am I even doing this mission, bro? You should have just walked away.
I sent for some of that dynamite you and Bill commandeered in Van Horn. Good work with that, by the way. Bill played drum. The perfect man for the job.
Actually, no. You should convince the Indians to just fucking let Dutch get captured. Fuck him, bro. I can't wait to play Red Dead Redemption again, bro, so I can just kill Dutch. I only played that. I only beat that game once, but I forgot like what happens in that game, so I gotta replay it again, bro, just to see what happens.
You finally got to see Colm Hanks. Yeah. After all those years. Hard to believe. Oh, but it was worth the wait. See? We're tying up the loose ends, Arthur. One by one.
No, we're not. Give me the music, make me jump on prices of a bomb. Give me the music, make me rockin' up the dance. Arthur, put the wire up, bro.
I think that should do it. Come on now, quick. Get back up here.
Okay, let's go, Arthur.
I just want to clock you in the back of your damn head. Damn, boy, I can't hit him. I just want to hit his ass on some GTA shit. Just hit him in the back of the head, watch he get knocked out and the hat fall off. And I pick it up and put it on my head.
I think I see some movement in the distance.
Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side.
The detonator's by me. Here.
I don't want the detonate. Why I gotta blow it up? Why can't y'all blow it up? This y'all mission.
Over here, Arthur.
Bro, Arthur, come on, bro. You on those.
Oh, damn. Patrol's a lot larger than we thought it was gonna be.
Don't worry. That's a good thing.
Okay, that's the signal. Here they come. Stay low and quiet.
You sure you don't want me to man that plunger, Arthur?
No, I got it.
Oh, remove the weight of the world from your shoulders for a minute. Like I said, we're just going to give them a bit of a scare.
Dude, shut up, bro. You suck, bro.
There they are. Looks like more than we thought.
It's fine. We're only here to talk and administer a little good old-fashioned humiliation. You're owed that, son, at the very least.
Wait for my lead, men.
Everyone just stay calm. We've got the upper hand here.
Oh my God. This
Okay, they've passed the first charge. If we blow it now, we should have them trapped.
Put your hands up. You're surrounded. Nobody need get hurt. Your humiliation of us has gone on quite enough.
This ain't a good idea.
Put down your guns.
You are making a mistake, boy.
No, you're making a mistake. Put your hands up, soldier. Take a little humiliation and leave these fine folks alone.
Who are you?
A concerned citizen.
Is that so?
What now?
We should move.
No, not quite yet. Soldier, you and your friends gonna tuck tail and run off? Run!
Excuse me?
I'm getting bored of this.
Your friends fired first, soldier!
The father won't be happy about this. This is all around us.
Dang it, right?
There's another soldier ground.
Looks like we got a fight then, boy.
Look out! They're coming up on our left. We will kill you all if that's what it is. How you like it? This is where you die. Take them down. We didn't want this. Who started this?
Damn, they shot his ass up. Oh my god. Bro, these niggas.
Fools, you damn fools. It's the army.
Hey,
Need one regiment of pastry chefs and bullies. Watch your goddamn mouth.
hey.
All of you, take what you can, and then we move out.
Move now. We have to move now.
Hey,
These men quickly, then we move.
bro, you said search these men. Let me search these men. Let me loot, bro. I wouldn't be me if I didn't loot. Hey, these niggas wild. They really was running at niggas while they was getting fired at. Like, they some demons, bro. These motherfuckers really some demons. Return to the game. Bro, you return to the game. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side, yeah. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side, it's all go on. Give me the music, make me jump and pass it all go down.
They might have
Give me
information
the
on
music,
them
make
that'll
me
help our
rockin'
friend
out the
with their
dance.
cause.
We need anything my father can use to strengthen our case.
I ain't sure much is gonna strengthen your case after this.
Arthur, you should have just walked away, bro. These niggas, especially Dutch, bro. Dutch is a idiot, bro. Pasty.
Find anything?
Yes. Some poor fool from New Jersey. These boys ain't the problem. They're only kids.
Keep looking.
What the hell?
Shit! Everyone, keep your heads down.
Shit, damn, I don't got no. Man, that's a rifle. That's a rifle, bro. I need me a. Fuck that.
Get out of this.
Oh shit.
What do we do here? This is a
Hold your ground. Surrender, and they'll hang you all. Try to flank them, Arthur.
Hey, is that Dutch?
Shoot you some steak.
Yes! We need to take out that cannon!
Up the hill. The cannon. Take out the spotter, Arthur.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side, yeah.
You think you can take on the USO?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Murdering bastards.
What's up, boy?
Get your first gun. Get up there.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Come on. Who's next?
Where's Peta?
Yes.
We're sending riders from the fort. We need to leave.
But where's Peta? Was he killed? He's alive.
Well, that went just about according to plan.
I'm trying, Arthur, with everything I have, and I will keep trying, and you'll keep doubting me, and we'll keep failing.
It ain't like that, Dutch. Look at me. Look at me. I'm worried about folk.
I know.
Nigga, fucking Dutch. Idiot, bro.
We should go.
Where's Eagle Flies?
Run, son! Run! Come on! This area is gonna be crawling with soldiers in a few minutes. We gotta leave. Now!
What about Eagle Flies?
We gotta go, Arthur. Come on! We need to ride hard. Stay with me.
Pass the bro. All those bodies back there that needed looting, bro. I'm surprised they soldiers and they ain't got only like 68 cents, bro. Like, come on, bro. Y'all broke.
Left here, into the trees.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand
Okay,
side.
let's dismount here. We won't get the horses down this path.
What do you mean? Yes, we can, bro.
All right, let's carry on by foot. Try and sell them a little snake oil. You think? It's all I got. Get out of here. Yeah. Let's see if we can lose them down here. You're done now. Shit. I guess not. Get behind something, Arthur.
Don't you just murder this man? I don't care about you shooting at me.
Yeah.
You're still about to get looted. The fact that you didn't even lose this man, bro. You lame Dutch on some real shit. Oh shit. Bro, I thought that was me. Damn. My man got shot straight in his neck. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side, yeah. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side, it's all bomb. Give me the music, make me jump and prance.
Get behind something, Arthur.
Get behind something, Arthur. Poppin', I'm busting these guns, Yosemite Sam version. This motherfucker's still alive.
Come on, let's see if there's a way out through here.
They call me Yosemite Sam the way I bust these glizzies.
Go ahead, more on the left.
I bust this shit. Bro, die. Bro, damn, Batman. What? Damn, Batman. Motherfucker took like 30 bullets.
It's gotta spin us out somewhere.
Nigga took like 30 bullets and still got the hell back up. Really? Who's shooting at us? I just seen a bullet fly past.
Hold them off.
What do you mean hold them off? Why can't you do it?
This is a losing battle, Arthur. Oh, we gotta do something.
Yeah, because of you. I want to pick a fight with the damn U.S. fucking army. Or whoever these motherfuckers are. Dutch, if I fall off this cliff, bro, it's your fault. I'm coming back to hunt you, bro. Bro, what you just called me, bro?
There's too many, Arthur. Fall back.
I got enough bullets for him.
I don't know. The longer we can hold out. There's too many. Run, get moving.
Psych.
We're being overrun.
Dead end. This is it.
Better jump in that river, bro.
Arthur,
Put your hands up. I said put your damn hands up.
okay. Okay. Follow my lead. I got a plan.
You always got
It's a
a
good one.
You always got a
Hello?
damn plan.
Officers,
They should have just
Put
shot
your hands
his.
up and come here. Put your hands up.
hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here. Come here.
We can't do that. Your man,
Oh shit! I got surrendered. Like what? So I have to surrender? That nigga just shot me. Why did you shoot me first, bro? Why couldn't you shoot Dutch?
hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here. Come here.
We can't do that. Your man, those men they killed, they were good men. You're fighting nature, Captain.
Get over here.
Yeah, he mad.
Ask my friend here. My whole life, I tried to fight change. It's waste. I see that now. It's waste. You can't fight nature, Captain. You can't fight change. You can't fight gravity.
Them niggas busting good shots. Damn, Dutch, how you get all the way up there, bro? Damn, Arthur, you can't swim, bro? What the hell is he? Why the fuck is he swimming like this? What the hell is he talking about?
Here! Oh, don't give up! Come here, big boy! Oh, you're okay. Oh, you're okay. What a mess. I know. But a mess is what we need. Oh, we just escaped from chaos. Eagle flies must have been taken. Taken or killed? Well, we can't go find out. No, not now. Charles, we'll send him. Where is he? He's probably back at camp. Let's split up. I'll go tell him. You rest up, then go meet him up at the reservation. We are gonna make it, brother. I can feel it. Faith, Arthur. Have faith.
I've been already tired of that nigga, bro. I swear, I'm tired of Dutch, bro. Dutch is annoying, bro. That nigga's really annoying. Give me the music, make me jump, my promises will go down. Give me the music, make me rock it, not the dawn. Damn, Arthur, my man looks sick. Wow, that tuberculosis kicking his ass. Tear down his camp. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to leave a like, comment below, subscribe. It would be much appreciated. Hit that notification bell, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.